So it's not RV related, but might be interesting anyway. I've got this golf cart. This is a EZGO RXV 48 volt golf cart. It's got old school batteries. Great little golf cart, gets around really good. But it's got headlights. But here's the thing. I got a tail light here that isn't working. So what I thought I'd do is take a look at it, see if I can figure out why that tail light's not coming on. And I don't know anything about golf carts, and I mean, I know they run on batteries, but that's about it. So I'll be learning as we go. Let's see if we can figure it out. I figure the most obvious place to start is to just take the light out of there, see if maybe the wires come loose or something like that. So let's start taking some screws out. Kind of hard to see, but there is a plug right up there. You can probably see it right there under the wheel well. I think I will, well, double check that that's plugged in securely, but I think I'll also take the lens cover off and just take a peek inside there as well. May have just found the problem. If you look closely right there, looks like it fried. It looks burnt. So interesting. And this is all one piece, this whole tail light assembly. So I guess I will have to go on the internet and see if I can find one of these, see how much they cost, because since it's fried like that, I think I need to replace the whole thing. So project delayed. We'll look at it more in the future. I'll keep you updated though. Hit the internet, did a bunch of searches. Turns out these tail light assemblies are kind of difficult to find. Searched a lot of different websites. Most of the time I would find a tail light that looked like it was right, but either it didn't have any measurements in the description or it wouldn't tell me if it was LED or not. So I wasn't sure, but I did find I think it's a Red Hawk, and this was available on Amazon actually. A little bit more expensive than I wanted to pay. This was 80 bucks, but it's for the pair, for both of them. I wanted to just buy the one because I just need the one on the passenger side, but I had to buy the pair. But this is what it looks like right out of the box. I haven't yet checked to see if this is the right one for what I have on this golf cart. So, I mean, it looks right to me. So, let's go take the old one out, try to plug this in, and see if we got a winner here. So here's the old one I got out. Here's the new one. They look identical. I think it's going to work, but I want to show you what the issue was. So let me take the lens off this old one. And it's kind of hard to see, but right about there, it's burned up. It's not like a light bulb. This LED, all the LEDs are attached to a circuit board, and the circuit board fried, so the whole thing's shot. Can't just replace a light bulb. Now that circuit board is just screwed in there, so if I could have found a light board, I suppose I could have maybe gotten one, but who knows if the wiring would have been right and all that. So here's my new one. So I'm going to go plug this one in and make sure that the screws fit, that it's a good fit, and then we'll test it out. Pretty easy project, actually. That's a good fit. Got that installed. The wire is just inside here. All right, installed, plugged in. Now, let's see what we got. Both headlights are good. Tail light. Success. The hardest part of this project was finding the right parts, getting them ordered and sent to the house. Once I found that taillight assembly, had to buy the pair. So I guess if the other one goes out, I still have another one ready to go, hopefully. But yeah, I think we're good to go now. We are back in business. So once again, this is a golf cart project. We are Happy House RV, but we have other toys as well. So hang around with us. We'll travel. We'll do some stuff in the motorhome. We'll do some stuff with the golf cart. We're here on a lake. We got a pontoon boat out there, so maybe we'll do some stuff on the lake. Who knows? But stick around. We hope that you subscribe to the channel. Help support us. Give us thumbs ups on these videos. Appreciate that. And we look forward to seeing you again on the next one. Take care and happy golf carting. See ya.